Alright, go ahead, raise it up. Well, this is a Bobcat 909 for sale. Go ahead. Got it on Craigslist. You make sure that y'all see that it does work. Asking $2,000 for it. Bobcat don't go though, sorry. I've had this thing several years and bought a bigger one, don't use it. But she's still got a lot of power. I guess y'all can see that. We built a sleigh cylinder backwards and forwards a few years ago and one top cylinder on it. Replaced a few hoses and asking $2,000 for it. Anybody's interested in it. Although somebody had made the outbuild in the front right here, but it don't hurt it. Not want to make some kind of laugh. Good and strong. Got about a 16-inch bucket on it. That's good enough, Mark. We cover the hole back up. Alright, we're going to cover a little hole back up. Just want to make y'all see that it does work. Interested in it. I'm in Pickens, South Carolina. Good little backhoe. Does need the paint job. Maybe a few decals on it. Just give me a call. The number is 864-616-6755. Thank you.